Want to create your own video channels with the flexibility to stream and share across platforms? Then you'll love Viloud. What's up, Sumo Links? It's Jay here with AppSumo, the #1 digital marketplace for software deals for entrepreneurs. Today, I can't wait to tell you about Viloud, the awesome online video platform for creating video channels so you can share live, linear, and on-demand videos. Before I show you how to get started, make sure you're subscribed to AppSumo's YouTube channels so you never miss out on any of our deals. Let's get to it. When you log into your Viloud account, you'll see the option to create your first TV channel. First, I'll choose whether I want to make a linear or on-demand channel. With a linear channel, you can schedule the content to repeat on a specific schedule or loop it so that it operates like a video playlist. We're going to start with a linear channel. Next, I'll name my video and check the box to create an M3 U8 link that I can use on a third-party video player or platform. Then, I'll pick a daily or weekly schedule for my channel. Now I can customize the player with a logo and a link, choose a main color, and add in social handles. Once I get to the scheduler, I can choose from the videos currently in my content library, or I can add in new ones. Viloud lets you upload straight from your computer or import from a third-party source. When the videos are uploaded, I can drag and drop them into the calendar to add them to the schedule. Then I'll preview the channel in a new tab to make sure everything looks right and it's ready to go. Now I can embed the video with custom playback and display options on my site or use the M3 U8 link to stream it on a third-party platform. Pretty sweet, right? Creating a loop channel is just as easy. Just add the name, choose a start time, customize the player, and add videos to the new channel. Let's take a look at the other types of channels you can create with Viloud. For an on-demand channel, I'll follow the same process to upload a video and customize the channel. With this type of channel, viewers can interact with the channel and pick videos from the playlist. To run a live stream, I can broadcast to Viloud from an RTMP encoder software like vMix or Wirecast using the RTML URL and stream key on my dashboard. Once the stream is over, my recorded live stream is stored on the Viloud platform. If your channels are sponsored, just drop in your ad tag URL from your ad provider into the monetization field for your channels and your ads will start running. Sumo Links, it's never been easier to create your own digital video channels. Start streaming with Viloud today. Struggling today. I hate words. I hate speaking. I wash my hands of all of this.